Hello everyone, I Rahul Tripathi, faculty of MBA department from Technical Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on legal framework of IBE. So let's start with the introduction. So firms operating internationally face major challenges in conforming to different laws, regulations and legal systems in different countries. So the legal framework to protect small and medium enterprises, which is called in short form SMEs, mainly to achieve social objectives, adversely influences the expansion of manufacturing capacities and achieving economies of scale in certain countries. International managers need to develop basic understanding of the types of legal systems followed in the countries of their operations before entering into the legal contracts. So there are various types of laws exist in the different countries. First one that we are discussing is common law. So it is based on the traditions, past practices, and legal precedents set by the courts through interpretations of statutes, legal legislations, and past rulings. It depends less on written statutes and courts. Common law originated from England and it is followed in most other former British colonies such as India, UK, US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Next type of law is civil law, also known as code or civil law. It is based on a comprehensive set of written statutes. It is derived from the Roman law and is followed in most of the continental Europe, Japan, and Latin America. The elaborate legislative codes embody the main rules of the law, spelling out every circumstance. Laws of most countries have element of both common and civil law. The complications in a meeting out of non-performance of a business contract also vary widely among the common and civil law countries. Next type we are going to discuss is that is socialistic law. So this law is derived from the Marxist socialist government and that continues to influence legal framework in former communist countries such as CIS, China, North Korea, Vietnam, and Cuba. Socialist law traditionally advocates ownership of most property by the state or state-owned public enterprises, prohibiting free entry to foreign firms. Next type of law that we are going to discuss is theocratic law. So, theocratic law is the legal system based on religious doctrine, precepts, and beliefs. For instance, the Hebrew law and the Islamic law are derived from the religious doctrines and their scholarly interpretations. Unlike the countries dominated by the Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism, where either common or civil law is followed, a large number of Islamic countries integrate their legal system based on the Sharia. So friends, I hope you understand the concept of legal framework of IB. Friends, please like, share and subscribe the Technia TV. Thank you very much.